another Skappo Family Talks with Mamma
Yvette.
Buongiorno. Buongiorno.
Buongiorno. Let's do this again.
Okay.
Come on. Okay. It's always a good giorno. We always say that because there is always something positive. You know, Skappo being Italian and being with certain tradition, we are celebrating 40 special days, which in Italiano are called Quaresima. Many of you, do you remember? Do you think they remember?
Remember what?
The Quaresima, how to say?
We never talked about it before. Why would they remember it?
No, from their family, from their grandparents and
Lent.
parents.
Remember Lent for those of you who celebrate
Okay, but
it.
they didn't say Lent.
Then what about people who don't celebrate it?
Oh, okay. Well, for them,
Well,
for
they don't
to
know anything about
But for
it.
them, we teach them to say Lent in Italian is called Quaresima. And there was a very really drastically forbidden to have meat. There are many ricette, but I think we can do from Napoli. Is una salsa. It's very easy. Like last time, do you remember the cicoria? Did you do it? Did you do it? Yeah. Now this time is you get capers, you get olives, you get pine nuts, and you get anchovies.
Some people aren't gonna like that.
Yeah, but just anchovy just to put a little bit.
Little goes a long way. Some of your favorite sauces actually probably have anchovies in them.
Put everything in the mixer, and then you're having this salsa, and you put it over pasta. Next to this recipe, though, there were very special things that we call a superstition, things that you don't do and you pay very special attention. For example, don't ever during this period, don't ever serve wine with the
Right hand?
No, the left hand.
Well, you already messed that one up. I thought you're not supposed to anyway, because doesn't that mean somebody
Yes,
is
yes,
gonna
the
kill
devil.
you or
The
something?
devil.
One, you're pouring it if you pour it the left. Isn't that how that was?
Yes. The left is the devil, the right is that. Or if the oil falls on the ground,
Okay.
you throw a fist of salt,
Okay.
and then you say crepa. May he died. Okay. The bad.
Because the oil's on the floor?
Yeah. Not the person. The bad time in the future. Okay.
Right.
The bad things that could be alert next to you.
What do you do with all the people who get superstitious for dropping salt on the floor?
Oh, that's it. You have to throw it in the back.
You
know
make
that.
it mess.
That we
There's
have
salt
to.
everywhere at that point.
Yes. That we have to call Michael. He knows for sure. So, the bread,
Okay.
the oil, and then we have another one. Let me check it out. I forgot. Oh yeah, that's so neat. Don't ever look in the dish of the person next to you.
Why?
It's bad luck.
For who? Why?
Both of them. They said in the past it was a very nobody could do that because usually the rich people had more food than poor. So probably for now they don't want.
They probably came up with that.
Yeah, no, but then there is an animal, a dog, can never look to another dog while it's eating. And so
I know
from
you're
the,
not.
the kingdom, the animal's kingdom, never to do.
Oh, they tell each other this?
Yeah, they
They
say,
say, "Hey, dog, get out of my plate."
well, they get very upset. I don't know. That's what they say. This is the moment of Lent, and so disintoxicated your body, and let's get ready for spring.
So, as always, please, if you enjoy these videos, you want us to make more of them, it's your first time here, like and share and spread a little Skappo Family Talks on your personal page. There's not enough smiles out there, not enough laugh out there, not enough love out there. So just bring a little bit of some of that sunshine to somebody else's
And then you
day.
know what? I remember Virginia. She told me this morning. She's 85 years old. God bless her. And she said, I will refuse to be depressed. I can be melancholic, I can be upset, I can be whatever you want, but I will never be depressed. So let's be like Virginia.
Okay. So have a wonderful Sunday, everybody. We will see you each and every week. Have a great week. Ciao.